Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to keep it short and sweet for you guys. So in today's video we're going to be changing the pedals in the car. So we're going to swap them over for some cheap ones I got from, I think these ones were from AliExpress as well. So we're going for an AliExpress special today, but as you can see they're like the real genuine ones, but you know obviously they're not, they're only like £10. So we've got the footrest here, and then obviously you have the accelerate and then the brake pedal. So they're meant to be like the genuine metal ones that you get, I believe, on the M series and stuff like that. Obviously these are just cheap alternative. So they're very easy to install, so they should only take 5 minutes. So let's pop you down and then we'll get on with it. Okay guys, so as you can see I've given it a good thorough clean, wiped it down and everything. So we have wiped down the footrest because we are going to use 3M adhesive to stick that one down, and then we also have cleaned the accelerator because that's just going to clip on. The brake pedal is fine, we're just going to take that off because all it is just a cover. We're going to take that off, so I didn't really clean that. But as you can see, just make sure you clean where you're working because you don't really want to get it dirty. But yeah, so we'll move on to the next thing.
My heart rages around like an ocean in